Hello everyone, I welcome you back again to Master Microbiology YouTube channel. In today's series, I am talking to you about how to write a winning research proposal. Writing a winning research proposal, that is the topic we are looking at, and I'll be very brief. A research proposal is a structured plan for a study you intend to carry out. It outlines what, why, and how your research, whether for a university project, for a thesis, or for a grant or sponsorship. A well-written proposal increases your chances of approval and support. This video explores the key components of a strong proposal, how to formulate impactful research questions and objectives, and provides guidance on using sample proposals and templates. Number one is components of a strong proposal. A good research proposal is not just about good grammar. It must be clear, it must be logical, it must be detailed, and it must be persuasive. Below are the essential components every strong proposal should include. It should have a title page, concise and descriptive title, your name, your institution, your department, your supervisor, if applicable, and the date. Then it should have introduction, background. This gives context to your study. Then describes the problem or issue to be addressed. Then it also states the significance of the study. It includes a brief review of relevant literature. It also has statement of the problem, a clear, precise articulation of the research problem. It should highlight a gap or a need for the study. Now, it also has objectives of the study. This is divided into general objectives and specific objectives, and it should be measurable and aligned with the problem statement. It should also have research questions or hypotheses, and this will be derived from the objectives of the research, and it should be clear, focused, and researchable. Then methodology is another component of a good research, how you want to carry it out. So this describes how the study will be carried out. Research design, e.g. survey, experimental, or case study. Then population sample, data collection methods, data analysis techniques. Then we also have ethical considerations. Another component here is significance of the study. Who will benefit from your findings? How will it contribute to knowledge, contribute to policy, or contribute to practice? Apart from this, what is the scope and what are the limitations? So, as part of the components, you define the boundaries of your research. State what the study will or will not cover. Then, apart from this, you have to also look at the work plan or the timeline. Use Gantt charts or a month-by-month breakdown. Then, another component of a good research is the budget. This is especially good for funded research. The estimated cost of each item, including travel, materials, data collection, and many others. Then a good research must have references too. A properly formatted list of all literature cited in your proposal. Then, number two thing you need to do is now, after we have known the component, you have to craft your research questions and objectives. Strong research begins with well-formulated research questions and objectives. These guide your entire study. Now, crafting research question. How do you craft? A good research question should be focused, not too broad or too narrow. Then it should be clear, easily understandable. Then it should be feasible, researchable within time and resource limits. Then it should be relevant. It should contribute to the field that you are doing research in. Example, what are the factors affecting antibiotic resistance among hospital patients in Ilorin? How does digital learning affect academic performance in Nigerian universities? These are examples that you can use as your research, and you should follow this template of topic. Now, writing your research objectives. Your objectives define what you want to achieve. Now, let's look at the general objectives. General objectives are a broad statement that describes the overall purpose. Now, what is the purpose? To examine the prevalence and causes of antibiotic resistance in learning hospitals. What are the specific objectives? You break down the general objectives into smaller focus aims, such as to determine the rate of antibiotic resistance among selected patients, to identify the most resistant bacterial strains, then to assess healthcare practices contributing to resistance. Now, let's go on and look at where we can find some sample proposals and templates. To make your writing easier, you have to consult and adapt sample research proposals and templates suited to your discipline. Now, these are key ideas. Ask your department or supervisor for approved proposals from past students, or even the one your supervisor have written for a grant before. You can share that template with you so that you can follow it. Then use templates from your faculty or institutional research office. Then you can get from online academic websites like Elsevier, Springer, or ResearchGate. They also provide samples. There are many templates online which you can check. If you can't find, ask me in the comment section and leave your email in the comment section as a question and ask for a template of whatever, and I will send one to you in Word document. Now, basic proposal template structure. A proposal template structure should have, number one, title page. Then it should have introduction. Then it should have problem statement. Then it should have the objectives. Then it should have the research question or hypothesis. Then it should have the methodology. Then it should have the significance of the study. Then it should have the scope and limitation. Then it should have timeline. How many months? 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. Then it should have a budget, and it should have references. Make sure to tailor the template to the requirements of your institution, of the funder, or of the journal you are writing to, because this is basically the ideal template. The funder or your institution or whatever may give you a different template, just slightly different. So you make sure you adhere to their own and you are going to get it. Now, as a conclusion, I need to let you know that writing a winning research proposal requires clarity of thought, attention to detail, and strategic planning. A strong proposal not only convinces readers of the feasibility and relevance of your study, but also serves as a blueprint for successful execution. By focusing on well-structured components, carefully crafted research questions, and using proven templates, researchers, especially students and early career academics, can increase their chances of approval and make meaningful contribution to their field. So you have learned about how to write a good research proposal, whether for grant, whether for your thesis, for your project, for your dissertation, or for any other purpose. Go ahead and master this skill, because you are going to need it even after the current research you are doing. If you have any question or comment for me, ask in the comment section below, and I will come to there and respond to you within 24 hours of your asking. My name is Dr. Adetitun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel called Master Microbiology. I want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends. And if you want me to do or to write a proposal for you, I am going to charge you a fee. And I'm going to charge you a fee, so you can contact me. Then we can talk on WhatsApp, and then we'll get talking. If you want us to collaborate on research together, I have a research group. I'm not alone, and then we work together, and we can always work with you too. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one you should go ahead and watch.